Tervetuloa Design. So this week I'm going to show you how I approach programming drums. So here I have a session that I sent to my friend. It has reference drums of this MIDI right here. And then it has the audio bounce of it. They sound like this. And it's basically what I track to. And here is how the song sounds. Let me play you a clip from, say, here. And the drum part is playing the same thing all the time, so we don't really need to listen to that. And as we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different parts that we need to program drums to, and then we can repeat that and then add some embellishment to those. So let's first mute the reference track and disable it, just in case I accidentally turn it on. And then we have the drums MIDI. I currently do not have anything set up, but as we can see, when I open this, it gives me this piano roll, and I don't like that. So I'm using the drum maps that you can download. You go drum map, setup functions, and load. And I have loaded this SSD 3.5 kit, which I use with the Steven Slate 3.5. Alright. So let's first load up a kit. I don't really care which one we choose, so I'll just take the All-American kit. Let's see how it sounds. So let's solo the drums. Okay, I need to replace that snare, so let's take the snare 10 also. Where are you, snare number 10? There. Output snare. So what I'm doing is that I'm setting up the panning, because these usually don't come out panned in the presets, so that's alright. Or at least to my taste they are quite narrow, so I'm just making them a bit wider. So as we can see, the panning here is 14% left and 40%. So I'm going to do this and they will be a lot wider. Alright, so we have 3 toms, so maybe something like that. Alright, so now that we have our instrument loaded, what we can do is that we can just remove most of these, and we just leave the one that we have left. And I actually like the count in here. So I'm going to leave that, that's alright. But this I want to have the drum map turned on, so I'm going to click here. And now we get the drum editor, which looks like this instead of the piano keys. So it's a lot faster to program something like this. First, I think I'll actually do the pre-chorus because I like that part the most. So I'm going to copy this and let's go to the pre-chorus.